Hit number 7, generating and testing hypothesis. The definition, basically it's taking information and questioning it. Alongside of that is inductive reasoning, which means when you create a new understanding based on prior knowledge. And then deductive reasoning is when you create a new understanding derived from logical thinking, such as analyzing math problems or scientific calculations. The benefits are that it increases higher order thinking as well as students' discovery and interest, and the limitations would be that it could be time consuming and it may deviate from the lesson. An example of inductive reasoning might be kind of the sequential events in history, and that using that prior knowledge to kind of guess or estimate, ponder of new events that might derive because of, I guess, certain traits in the past, kind of using that history to guide our future. Deductive reasoning, I guess, would be the same as scientific calculations and whatnot. Do you have any questions?
Okay, so we have hit number 8, which is activating prior knowledge, question keys, and advanced organizers. And pretty much the definition for this is building a solid framework of connections. Some of the benefits is using the graphic organizers to introduce students to the information they are about to study.
Questions ask students to use what they know, activate their prior knowledge. You always, prompt them for more knowledge, and it also, you can get them to higher order thinking. So you usually just start with the yes or no questions, but you keep prodding until you get to what you want them to learn or to think. Limitations, the organizers, you can only get so far with an organizer. Like if you do a storyline, you do the little graph or whatever. At a certain point, you can't teach the kids anything else, like how to write an essay or anything like that. So those definitely have some limitations. We're talking about in early childhood education for questions. Little kids have a lot of questions, and you ask a lot of questions for them, but they can lead to more questions like why, why? So you got to set a limit for that. So.